Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Tiong Bahru Park, amazing and beautiful place here in Singapore. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Tiong Bahru Park. Hi guys, today I'm here in Tiong Bahru Park. So I'm just going inside now guys. This is nearby in Henderson, Bukit, Merah and Lower Delta Road. Also beautiful guys. This is famous for all ages, I mean different ages. This is the fitness center guys. And this is also their fitness center. It's beautiful guys. This is their allotment garden guys at Tiong Bahru Park. The allotment garden at Tiong Bahru Park consists of raised planter beds of plots that are rented out individually to people who wish to have their own space to garden. And also they have their own etiquette guys. So I'm just going here inside in their allotment garden guys. They have banana here. They also have lime, squash, papaya, It's beautiful. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. They have sugar cane here also. They have also tomatoes and a cactus, and they have basil. I think this is pumpkin, and bitter gourd also there. No, this is not pumpkin, guys. It's just a bitter gourd. And they have sweet potato here. Lime. And also pandan leaves. They have eggplant here also, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful and amazing, guys. They have also a cotton here, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. It's like a tower, guys. And there is a bench here also that you can sit down. And it's facing into the playground. Hi guys, this is their playground, and that is the life-size tilting train, and this is the centerpiece of the playground.
Ready, go.
And this is the Therapeutic garden at Tiong Bahru Park, guys. Therapeutic garden at Tiong Bahru Park is designed and developed in a collaboration with the NUS Mind Science Center using an evidence-based approach from research in environmental psychology. So I'm just going here inside, guys. There's a bench that you can sit down. Yeah, this is the Therapeutic garden. Also, there is a fitness center also on the side. It's beautiful also, guys. And there is also a pavilion if you want to rest. Tiong Bahru Park first developed around 1967. It combined with a nursery site in 1977, and in 2000 it was redeveloped with an area of 3.3 hectares. This park, guys, is under National Park Boards. And this is also a pavilion if you want to rest or if you're having a party. Yeah, there's a lot of pavilion here, guys. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys, take care. I love you.